Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at how the church keeps record and manages its assets. So, remember that all financial transactions will be reflected in the currency that's been set under account settings and account details. So, for this church, the currency that has been set is the dollar, and that is why we can see that cost is reflected in dollar. Cost in dollar. So we'll create a record. Name of asset, let's say the jazz drum. Quantity purchased is 1. Cost of purchasing, let's say $2,000. Date purchased, let's say it was purchased on the okay, let's say 28th of March. Payment mode, we have 3 options: cash, lease, loan. So it was paid with cash. So asset has been added successfully. So from asset list, we can see list of all assets. Okay, so we have keyboard $1,000, date it was purchased, payment method cash. We have jazz drum, quantity purchase 1, cost of purchase $2,000, purchase date, payment method cash, status it's in use. So these assets were purchased on the set date for the said amount, the quantity that was purchased, the payment method, you get to see them, and then the status, is it in use, has it been decommissioned, has it been sold out, or has it been given away. So if an asset, there are some assets that the church has and we want to give away. For instance, let's say plastic chairs. Most churches use plastic chairs, some use different kind of chairs or seats, member seats. So let's say they want to give, maybe they got new seats and they want to give out the old ones, so they may decide to give it out as a giveaway. So if it's going to be given as giveaway, you feel the recipient phone number is address. What quantity are you giving to this recipient? What dates are you giving this to the person or to the recipient, and then the reason why you're giving that asset away. And then for sold, if you decide to sell these assets, okay, the buyer's name, let's know the buyer's phone number, the buyer's address, the quantity that was sold, the price at which it was sold, the date it was sold, and the reason for selling that asset. And then if you're decommissioning the asset, means the asset is no longer in use, maybe it's spoiled beyond it being given out or sold, so you decommission. So let us decommission these assets. Quantity decommission with decommission 1, date decommissioned. Let's give it this date. Say spoiled beyond repair. Maybe that's the reason why. All right, so submit. So you can see the status has changed from in use to asset decommissioned. And then if you come to management history, the asset management history, you can see a history of every transaction that has to do with an asset. So by default, this is assets given away. So you see all history of assets that has been given away. If we have assets that has been sold, and then asset has been decommissioned, so we decommission an asset. So let us see history of all assets that were decommissioned. So we have a record: asset, keyboard, comment, asset decommission, quantity, the date it was decommissioned, the cost not applicable because it is beyond repair, recipient or buyer not applicable, phone number. So let's view the reason why. Okay, the reason transaction was performed, spoiled beyond repair. And so you can edit details in case there was an error. You can always make a change. So that's all about assets. In the next video, we'll look at accounts, how the church keeps record of its financials, and how these records are being handled and managed. So I'll see you in the next video.